With over 1 billion users, entrepreneurs are leveraging Instagram's platform to make tons of money. And I've put a display of how much one of my friends makes in a week. And you see it all over Instagram, right? You see people flexing how much cash they have, private jets, yachts, luxury mansions. How do they get all this money? And how are they using Instagram, and why are they flexing on Instagram to do this? Well, I'm gonna go over in this video a step-by-step program. I'm gonna show you actually how it's done the best way. Now, Bia Heza did a recent video on this. I'm gonna tear apart his method a little bit. No offense, little guy, but I'm gonna show you how the big money's being made in this video. Let's get right into it. It all starts with a flex. Whether it's a flex about how beautiful your body is, or a flex how ripped your abs are, a flex about how much money you have, or a flex of your private jet, or a flex about how beautiful your relationship is, or how many women you have, it starts with showing something aspirational. You want to show folks where they want to be. In marketing terms, we call this a lead magnet. It's something that draws people to you. Again, you generally don't want to have to be the pushy sort of person that's trying to get people to give you money. You want people to come to you. And if you use aspirational imagery of your jet or your yacht or all your babes, guys or girls are gonna approach you and say, how'd you make that money? How'd you get that car? How'd you get all those chicks? What did you do to look so beautiful? What are you wearing? You want that effect on people. The second step is responding to users who message you or like your photos or comment on your stuff. Send them a DM. Ask them if they want a car like you have. Ask them if they want a body like you have. Ask them if they want to learn how they can pick up all these babes at the club or whatever that it is that you're talking about. Now, in Bia Heza's video, he created a fake guru, a fake NFT guru named Sam Satoshi, which was a pretty cool move. And he was baffled by how easy it was to get folks literally just sending him DMs. It's really easy. And I remember when I was young and I saw my first Ferrari, my first Lamborghini at the gas station. Here I am driving my Honda Civic, being 16 years old, and I see a Ferrari pull up next to me at the gas station. I don't know if you had the same thought I did, but how did this guy make his money? And of course I asked. That's the equivalent of what we're doing on Instagram, showing something outrageous and getting them to DM us. The third step is getting the money. And it's as simple as that. Whether you're going to give folks a PayPal link to actually just click it and pay you money, or maybe you're giving them a Bitcoin wallet address to send the money, or maybe you give them an affiliate link for them to buy somebody else's product, you need some way of getting the money. In Bia Heza's video, he had folks send him $50 through Venmo so that they could join a Discord group and just chat about NFTs. Just bringing some people who are NFT enthusiasts together and letting them chat for cost of $50. Seems pretty reasonable. But how do you do this? How do you actually make money from the Flex, DM, and how does this work for you? Well, I'm gonna get right into that. Now, in our case, we wanna make big money. We wanna make thousands of dollars a week. We want the potential to make thousands of dollars a day. And doing what Bia Heza was doing, which was charging people $10 or $50 to join a Discord group, we're gonna have to go through hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people messaging back and forth with us before we're gonna make that money. That's a lot of time. That's a lot of effort for maybe $1,000 a week. We wanna make thousands of dollars at least a week, or thousands of dollars even a day. Now, the way to do that is you wanna work with a high ticket offer. You either want to create your own high ticket offer, or you want to use an affiliate program to promote a high ticket offer. Now you can see an example of somebody who does this really well right here. His name's Tay Sweat, and he sells a program, a coaching program on how to trade stocks. He's just kind of talking to people about, how to trade stocks and what stocks they can buy, and he charges $40,000. Here's another person, Terry, another Instagram influencer who flexes and does all the stuff I'm talking about. I actually don't think her profile is done very well. I think it's kind of she could definitely up the swag component of what she's doing. And she charges $5,000 to do the same thing, teach people how to invest in stocks and real estate. I don't know what else I haven't gone through. And she mainly focuses on a Christian, African-American female audience. Now, maybe you look really good and you have a really ripped body. You could help coach people on how to get fit too. There's a lot of people that are not their ideal weight size out there that might want advice from somebody who's fit and healthy, okay? Or maybe you know a little bit about how to find freelance jobs, right? You could coach people on how to start freelancing. A lot of folks out there have no idea how they can take their skills and put them online and start freelancing. Or maybe you're gonna teach people about, stock trading, or I don't know. So all you have to do is get a Bitcoin wallet address or get a PayPal link, a Venmo link, and have folks pay you. Now, if you don't have some sort of skill or some sort of coaching that you can sell to folks, or maybe you just don't want to do that sort of customer service where you're actually talking to people on the phone or setting up some sort of training course or education program, right? You can join a high ticket affiliate program such as mine. We're launching my high ticket affiliate program in a month. There will be links down in the description. We pay $2,000 to $4,000 for every student that you refer over to us to learn how to become an online entrepreneur. And in that case, you would just share with them the link when it comes to the process where they're interested and they want to learn more and sign up. But the question still comes back to, how do you get followers? And how do you get people to actually even message you and see your post or see your profile in the first place? You can see Terry here does a really good job of tagging her posts. And what you do is, over time, as you build up your profile, folks will find you. There's all sorts of other groups that you can participate in that will help bump up your followers. You can buy followers even. You can do a lot of things to help really work with the Instagram algorithm. But what I suggest you do is, if you want money right now and you want to start earning your money, maybe let's say you've gone out there, you've pimped your profile, you've made it look really clean and fresh. You just go out and start DMing people. And I have a whole video on exactly how to figure out who the target audience is for what you're selling and how to start DMing people. And even if you're promoting my affiliate program, the exact messages that you can send to start getting that money coming into your bank account. So check out that video over here, which is basically how to make money with Instagram. And if you really like this content, you like learning about different ways of making money online, make sure you subscribe to this channel and just hit the notification bell and the like button. If you have any questions about this method or how I've made money or how I do things or how anything, I don't know about life, make sure to comment down below. And if you want to learn more about my story, check this link out over here. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.